he stops speaking to other one.
No, it is not like that. It doesn't
like
mean
that.
that. So listen.
Going to stop you.
No, it is not like that. If single case happened, it doesn't mean like online classes stop you communicate with people. Okay?
How many times he watched the recorded lecture?
Ma'am,
How many times?
If they have emergency on that time, they have to leave.
No, you didn't clearly said that emergency have to record the lecture.
Which class have thousands of students in offline class?
In our graduation, you can see there are.
Graduation, I have done my graduation. There is no thousand school.
I
There are
have-
thousand students. If the girls facing the harassment, who is the problem? Main problem. So you make your character. Why are you blaming the girls? Why are you blaming the education?
I am not blaming the girls.
Said that if girls are move outside for the offline education, they faces the sexual harassment. What about in their home?
We are sitting here for what? For Pani Puri? So what are you expecting? Dahi Vada? Yeah. We have Pani Puri. After some time, I will distribute. हाँ? Cold drink पिला दें? चलिए ठीक है. All the things you will get after this debate. Okay. So today we have a debate session, and that is online education or offline education. Which one is good? Don't speak. If you are supporting the online education, so why do you want to support the online education? And why do you think that online education is good if they are supporting the online education, so they have their own opinions. They will be sharing after some time, and you guys are supporting that offline education is good. I don't know why you are supporting and why you think that offline education is good. You have your own opinion. You have to share one by one. I'll be noticing all the things. You will get plus and minus, and I am going to notice which team is going to win. If you are going to support online education, so support from the bottom of your heart. If you are supporting offline education, so support from the bottom of your heart. And why do you think? One more thing, that the disclaimer of this debate, you cannot use a single word of Hindi language. Okay? You don't have to make it fish market. आपको एक fish market नहीं बनाना है, ठीक है? You cannot use any vulgar words, vulgar sentence. You cannot use any abusive words. Are you getting my point? You cannot indicate any person like this. This is a gun finger. So you cannot indicate. Respectfully, you have to debate. Respectfully, you have to talk. You can argue. You can be aggressive. But while talking, while debating, you cannot be. Like, you cannot use any kind of vulgar language. Okay? So should we start? Which team wants to start first? This or this? Offline or online? Yes, guys? Online or offline? Hello? Offline. We should start from this side. Asma, share your opinion.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashma. I am from Lucknow. Thank you, Rashid sir, for giving me this golden opportunity. Today, I am in the favor of offline education. Education is just not about gaining knowledge. It is about building characters, confidence, and developing communication skills. Student can interact directly with teachers. Offline education helps students to build social skill, and school are places where we learn about leadership, friendship, and respect for each other. And it is because I am in the favor of offline education.
Firstly, I want to ask that you said about respect. Those people who are like taking offline classes, they respect only. Online classes, they don't respect others.
They mostly can't interact with each others and many people. So how can
Ma'am, in classroom, they are not interact with people. They are distracting, because sometimes teacher is busy in taking classes, and students are just making noise.
in classroom there is a specific monitor or a leader who can make discipline in class.
How?
In school, there are in every classes monitors are made.
Monitor also, like they also are human and they also will talk.
They also have responsibility.
So responsibility, ma'am. What do you mean? Like who is taking online classes? They don't have any responsibility. They don't have any discipline.
Most of the students cannot interact with each other or with
How
face
can
to
you see they are not interacting with each other? They also live in family. They can easily interact with each other.
I can give example. My brother uses online class for study, and for 1 to 2 years he started being aggressive and irritated person. Why? Why? What? My brother taking online classes from some time, and he started being aggressive and irritated person. Why?
So it doesn't mean na he is taking an online classes. That's why he like irritating.
He stopped speaking to other one.
No, it is not like that.
Yes,
It
it is
doesn't
like
mean
that.
that. So listen.
going to stop you.
No, it is not like that. If single case happened, it doesn't mean like online classes stop you communicate with people. Okay?
My mother goes my maternal grandmother for 1 week. He can't speak me one a single day.
So ma'am,
of less
it's problem of
interaction.
your bonding, na. It's not problem
It's
of
not about
his.
bonding.
What's
Bonding
his
is
problem
good.
of your bonding? If you like, if he will be comfortable with, if
He is comfortable with me
to talk
every
with you.
time.
What?
But most of the time he is aggressive and irritated because of online classes. He forgot how to
Ma'am,
speak with
it
others.
doesn't mean because of online classes he forget. It maybe it happens something has happened with him. That's why he doesn't want to talk
He
with
doesn't-
any other people.
When he started online classes, he forgot to go outside from house.
So maybe he is busy in his study, na? That's why he doesn't want to go.
Most of the time his friend come to home to take out of him, but he can't go.
So it's his choice, na, ma'am. If I don't want to go in outside, so it's my choice.
But it's making less interactive to people.
How?
I just give you example.
I didn't like. Sorry, I am not accepting her point.
Other question. People want to ask.
So you said students only learn social skills, social interaction or social skills in only offline class. So as you said, your brother taking online classes and he gets very aggressive. So your brother gets taking online classes. So it doesn't mean he don't have to communicate with he doesn't have to communicate with your family. So it's your family responsibility also, na.
We interact with him, but he can't.
It's you cannot blame online education for those specific reason.
No, when he started taking classes, then he started.
Yes.
So before
It is
No,
like
sir.
that.
No, ma'am.
before online classes.
Yes.
So maybe there will be sir different reason you can't you.
This is the reason only.
So you are saying, na,
How
sir.
can you say this is the main reason behind it?
He tells about it.
If
Wait.
his brother is not
Okay.
talk with her, so how can you say?
Let's imagine your brother taking online classes. If he goes offline classes, so he needs extra time, na. So online classes he saves time and he he should give go outside for social interaction sports. So he can't become angry as well. So it's your family responsibility to to send him out.
Let him go.
He can't let him go from house. He only study from online classes and slept. This is
So whole day 24 hours he is studying from online classes.
not 24 hours.
In the day,
In a day, maximum 16 to 18 hours he study. Continuously he study. He can't go outside, not interact with people. He only.
So it's not about.
Good, of course. Sir, he
It's
is
not
only
good.
focusing on his future. So what's wrong with it? If he is concentrating on his only future, so what's wrong here?
It's so pressuring in his mental health.
Good evening, everyone. Being among you all, it means a lot for me. So today, firstly, thanks to sir for giving me this opportunity to speak here. So today we are here for a debate on the topic of offline education and online education, which is more beneficial. So online education is more beneficial because it like sometimes you are busy in your work, so you can take online, you can take your class from anywhere, anytime, and if you are suppressed of time, on that time you can record your class. After some time when you will free, then you can take class easily and understand easily whatever teacher taught. But in offline education, if limited time, fixed time, fixed duration of time, so on that time teacher just explained. After that he will not explain you whatever he taught. Sometimes he explained if you taught, but you cannot understand easily because every student doesn't have same brain. He cannot easily get his or her point. So that's why online education is too better.
Firstly, you said that you can see, you all can see the recorded lecture. What about the burden that student suffered at recorded
Which type
lecture?
of
If
burden?
all offline education are ever and also online education have a fixed time, and offline education have a fixed duration also.
In online education, you time duration is not fixed. You can take any time.
So offline education have also a fixed time. Na? You can go and take the classes.
Ma'am,
Recorded session you can watch after the class.
Yeah, you can, and also the student have taken the burden also.
which type of burden in online classes can you explain?
If a student not taking the live stream, they have a recorded lecture, and if many times they leave the live section, they have a burden on their head to attend the recorded lecture. How if they
Listen.
cover the all the
said
recorded
that-
lecture?
I said that if he has suppressed of time, on that time he can watch recorded session. But if he is free, then he can easily take live classes now.
Again, please. Again. नहीं समझे. Repeat your point.
I said that if student is because he has lots of work, that's why he choose online classes. So if on that time, sometime people have some emergency, so emergency come only one time, two time. It doesn't mean na it comes
Emergency is
daily by
emergency.
daily. So say it doesn't.
Emergency.
So it doesn't mean na it
But
happens.
also
daily.
the student are not regular at online education, and I experienced this. I am taking the batch and I doesn't regular in only 10 days.
So it's
because
your problem, no?
it's all student.
It's your problem.
It's
If you are not
maximum
taking
student.
classes, that is your
No, it's
responsibility.
maximum student problem. You can ask maximum student. You can buy.
Maximum student have problem like time, so that's why they easily can take online classes.
You can said that the maximum student are watch the recorded lecture. How many times he watched the recorded lecture?
Ma'am, I
How
said
many
if,
times?
if they have emergency on that time, they have to leave.
No, you didn't clearly said that emergency have to record the lecture.
Ma'am, if you are you are free.
Yeah.
So what would you like to take class? Otherwise, you leave session. After that, when you are free or like
How is about that? If students are watching the live stream and in mid of the lecture they leave for some distraction, and in offline education it's not possible.
in offline distraction happens, but in online distraction will
But
not happen.
distraction happen, but not leave the class in offline education. In online education, leave the
Ma'am,
live
there are
stream
lots of
class.
people, they like bunk class in offline.
So-
And I think you also did.
No, I am not did.
I also did.
So the student, it's depend on
There are
student
lots of
mentality.
students, they bunk class because of they
But
don't like
if-
teacher.
if
Sometimes they don't like subject.
But if join the class, then in middle of the class they don't bunk.
Ma'am,
But in
they
online
can-
education,
they
bunk.
have lots of
So
excuses.
this is the
ma'am.
system of
Listen.
education.
So,
This is the system of
so
education.
in offline it's happened, and that's why I'm saying online.
It's online
education is
happen
better.
more.
In
It's
offline
online
it
happen more.
happens. In offline it happens. Like you can make any excuses. Sir, I have to go outside. Ma'am, I have to go outside for this reason. Then you can go
In
and
online
find the class.
without any excuses go to in online.
So what is the need to go? What's the need to go? If you are taking that time to take class, you cannot take 8 hours classes. That's why you choose online class. Like whenever you free, then you can take class.
This is not my
This
point.
is not, ma'am. It's reality.
It's not reality.
It's reality. Go and
So good evening everyone. My name is Saurav Yadav and thank you sir to give me this opportunity. In my opinion, online education is better because in offline education, teacher teach all students at the same speed, but many students learn quickly and some students does not learn quickly. But in online education, they can pause the video, they can replay it, they see the video again and again until they learn the things. That's why the online education is better from the offline educations.
Okay, question please from this side. Who wants to ask?
Why do you want to join online class? To save your time?
Yeah.
To save your time?
Save time, and if
Yes.
any difficulty, then I watch the video again.
The major factor that save your time.
Yeah.
So if you said that ki if I didn't get understand, so I can replay.
Yeah.
So I'm wasting my time to replay.
Yeah.
But in offline question, in offline class, if I didn't understand any topic, any point, I can ask easily with the teacher,
But the-
and he can solve my problem hand to hand. After that, if I replay, the teacher method doesn't change. The same thing replay. But if I am offline education, the teacher can
Teacher try to make
teacher try to make you understand different method, different skills. But in the online question, you can replay the same thing. You can replay the same thing, and you are wasting. So how you can save your time and you are wasting your time?
in the offline education, there are fixed time. Teacher have fixed time, and there are thousands of students. There have thousands of problems.
Which class have thousands of students in offline class?
In our graduation, you can see there are.
Graduation, I have done my graduation. There is no thousand school.
I
The
am-
thousand student.
I also doing graduation. In my school, there are thousands of
How-
students.
there is-
competition classes.
Yeah. There are many competition class. There are thousands of students. Then the teacher have fixed time. How
So,
can solve this?
in online,
They are running in like 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah.
in so sir,
and
they are.
they didn't explain.
Or and if a student does not learn from the teachers, then he change the teachers in online. There are
Online
different
in
teachers.
online they can change.
Yeah, they can.
How can they change? If you have allotted a batch and a teacher, you cannot change.
Then, but there are free resource where you can
Where is the free resource?
search YouTube.
Free resource? You don't
Yeah.
have to pay for the YouTube. There is a free resource.
Yes.
You don't recharge. There is a free resource. You have to pay. There is no free resource.
But YouTube is the free available.
Who said that this is free? Who said? You have to pay the recharge. Without recharge, you can run the YouTube.
But ये offline education is online education is cost effective than the offline educations.
So why the cost effective? Which one is more important that is cost effective?
If you have no money, if you have no money, then how you can study in offline classes?
If you have no money, how can you study online?
But online education is. But if you have 300 rupees, you can recharge 1 month. But in 300 rupees, how can you join offline class?
Yes,
If you have 300, yes, I cannot join.
Ah.
I accept. I cannot join.
Yes.
If you have 300 only,
Yes.
so how you can buy your books?
So where online education
No,
need books?
sir,
Online education did not need
300.
books.
You have limited money, na?
Yes, see?
So you have limited money, na?
Yeah.
You have 300.
So 300 I use to recharge my internet, and I study in online.
Achha, in that area there is no internet. There are the lots of area.
But in there a lot of area there are not best college in offline, so their student how to learn.
They can go the another college.
If they have no money, then how can go there? And they are not available.
At least they have a situation. They can go, and I think there is no area that they don't have any college in 1 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 10 kilometers. But there is that lots of area they have poor internet, and not even kilometers. 100 kilometers they don't have internet. Yes, there have. You don't know. Go to the Odisha, go to the Karnataka, go to the tribal areas. So, why we go? You have to know why the offline education is best. You have to know.
Isha, you are getting minus. That is not your opinion. That was his opinion.
You said that if there are no internet available, then how the student learn online education, na? So this is the
There is not a single problem. There is a lots of problems.
what's are the problem.
If I am taking a class, tomorrow is my exam, and very important class, and my battery is dead. What I do, and electricity is sir, there is no electricity. What I do? What I do?
In village there are some solar panels.
In my village there is a, I think 2 to 500 homes. Only 5 to 10 homes have solar panels. What about the 99% majority?
It's a village problem now.
No, that is not my problem. That is everyone's problem.
Other question. You have any?
Can online classes provide the same level of interaction in offline classes?
Yes.
How?
There are one-on-one conversation. There are live classes where you can teach where you can ask your doubt to your mentors.
Which teacher communicate one by one in online classes?
There are many online classes. Join it and you can interact.
I join a batch. No teacher can explain separately to me.
Buy more expensive batch.
You are saying that you are saving money in online classes, and you are saying that you can buy more expensive classes for.
But although these batch are less cheap, these batch are cheaper than the offline classes.
What would you prefer? Less cheaper classes or better education?
I prefer better education, but in online, not offline.
Then why are you doing here? You can join sir online classes also.
Good evening, my dear panelists. Firstly, I would like to say Mr. Rasi sir for having me this wonderful opportunity. Today's topic, it is not a topic. It is our feeling. It is our soul, which is the topic is online versus offline education. So I am supporting online education because of here are lots of problems in offline education. Firstly, I would like to say for the girls, for the harassment, if a girl who is going to take education, here are lots of girls for facing lots of harassment. And here, as I am able to see like this, here are lots of girls and they are supporting offline education. It would be better if you it would be better if you would like to support online education. It would be better for yourself. And one thing I would like to say to
Don't show finger.
sorry,
You are behaving like this.
second point is permission to go outside. Here are lots of lots of girls as I have seen in the rural area. Their parents, they do not go to the give the permission to outside to take education. That's why I'm talking about the online education. Here are lots of beneficial advantage to take online education and mental as well as mental harassment. So it was my point. So I'm supporting. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Kadir, you are mentioning in your point that is harassment. So the problem is the harassment is a rule of law. That is not problem of education.
Yes.
Listen to me.
So if I am going by the car, so if I break the rule, if I get the accident, So this is my problem. That is not problem of the my car. So we cannot ban ban the car. So if there is a harassment, that is a problem of rule of law. You make the rule, you make the strict rule. So girls can easily walk in night and day. They can study easily. That is no problem of education.
I'm not talking about the education. I am talking about the here are lots of person who are making the harassment. They are
So work
wanted
on the
to-
harassment. No, don't. You cannot say that. Ki don't go outside to study. You don't say that. Go out the education.
They don't have to bother. They don't have like they are.
There is no need to do. There is no need to bother to go outside.
I mean to say, brother, they go with them. And if I
There
talk
is
about
no need to go outside with brother. Na make a strict rule.
who will make,
Who will make?
Yeah.
The government make rule. If you are educated, you can raise your voice. The government
listen
make.
to me. Listen to me. Each and everything not making a rules or क्या कहते हैं government, and we will maintain
So you are
we will maintain-
if the girls facing the harassment, who is the problem? Main problem. So you make your character. Why are you blaming the girls? Why are you blaming the
I'm not blaming
education?
the girl. I'm not blaming the girls. And
So why are you blaming the education? If
I
any
am-
girl,
listen to me. You are a blackmailing of the
listen to me.
emotion.
If
You
any
are
girls,
blackmailing
if
of
any
it.
girls,
Listen
if
to
any
me, sir.
girls, if any girls get harassed by some peoples, so who is the responsible?
Person who is person
Is responsible.
Yes.
Na education is not responsible.
I am not.
So give the.
I am not blaming education. Listen to me, sir.
So if the person is responsible, so give the punishment of the person. Hang the sir फांसी पे लटकाइए इसको. Hang this person. Why are you saying that कि don't go outside for the education?
I am not. You are a blackmailing of emotion.
No, I'm not blaming.
No, you are
I'm not
blackmailing
blaming.
of emotion.
I'm
That's
not
why you are
blaming.
saying that. I am not saying
I'm
that.
not blaming.
I'm not blaming of education. I am saying that, and I mean to say, if here are lots of girls, they are not safe because of they are going to.
If they are not safe, so make the rule, not to make them
So
safe.
I have said, as I have said to you, and
Listen
to
me.
bro.
कि if I have to go outside, so I wear helmet. It doesn't mean it is mandatory to happen accident with me. It doesn't mean that is safety. So that's why if the girls going outside, make rule.
So who will make?
Who will make? You make, government make, you raise your voice.
You said about that if girls are moved in outside, that's happen is sexual harassment. In
Same
the
question, sir.
no, not
Same question.
no. I firstly ask
Yeah, I
the question.
mentioned that later.
Firstly, you said that if girls are move outside for the offline education, they faces the sexual harassment. What about in their home?
Also
Yeah, they are also facing a sexual harassment.
Where this line? स्वच्छ रहे and स्वस्थ रहे, अपने घर पे रहे. Where this is line?
It is the problem. No, it's happening, and it's also maximum girls facing mental harassment and also sexual
It is
happening.
happening majority. I am talking about the majority in offline.
All girls are facing. Yeah. What about all?
Listen to me. I accept this point. Okay.
Yeah.
It is a mandatory. No, listen to me, sir. Just I am going to explain. If I talk about the harassment, mental harassment, and as you have said that raped by the relative, so it is a 1 or 2 cases. It is happening.
Why?
And if
No,
I talk
no.
about the
It's
offline
not.
education,
It's
here are
majority
95
cases.
and 97 and 98% are people suffering from these things.
Firstly, it is not it's not appear that in news, but it's majority happen in relatives by relatives.
It is
It's-
not like that. I think you are talking about your home, about your village. Sorry, about your village. It is not like that. It is not like
that.
everywhere.
If
is happening.
mental harassment is all the girls are face, all the girls are related.
But mental harassment, it is like happening in offline education, sir. It is not like.
But not that
happening in-
online education. In chats also had mentally disturbed the girl. A single word can disturb the mental health of girl. How you can say that it's all offline education are harassed? In offline education there is a podium and the teacher is standing. How the harassment is happening? In if you are going outside in class, the harassment are happening in classroom. How is harassment is happening in the stand of teacher?
So it is not. I am talking about the mental harassment in offline education. If a girl, he is not. He is a black. Like she is a black. Like his color is black, and many of the person who is like a.
That is a different point, sir. Talk about the harassment.
Harassment. It's not harassment. It's body shaming.
That is a different point. Talk about the harassment. She's talking about the mental harassment, physical harassment, and this all. And you are not talking about the mental harassment and physical harassment.
She mentioned their
She
mental
mentioned
harassment.
about the mental harassment,
Harassment, not body
not
shaming.
body shaming. And you are talking about black and fair, these all.
Sorry.
Other opinion?
Hello everyone, my name is Zeba Imam. Firstly, thank you sir to giving me this opportunity. Today topic is online education and also offline education. So I favor the offline education because in offline education, student have doing many extracurricular activities like sports, dance, music that enhance the student skill. And in this generation, skill are very important. And in offline education, skill gain. But in online education, not. Thank you.
Very nice. Question, please. Extracurriculum activities, she mentioned, in offline education. We didn't answer that question.
As you said, in offline classes there are
Repeat for आगे होगा बैठिए.
there are extra curriculum to enhance your skills like soft skills or hard skills as well. But in online classes, sir, usko. Do you know in online classes there are intensive programs? After intensive programs, there are many. I know. I get explained. So after your online classes, there like you get a you purchase a course. After your course, you can.
But
You can-
why we are purchased in school? There is a minimum fees, and in this fees are included the extracurricular activities. Also, why we are purchased a new
it-
course to that extracurricular activities? Why?
So, okay, but online classes are very cheaper than your offline classes. So if offline is cheaper than your online classes. Okay, sorry sir. Online is cheaper than offline classes.
Yeah.
So you are wait. You are you are paying for offline like 2 lakhs and 1 lakhs, but in online yes,
Yeah,
but
yes.
in online you are only paying 20,000, and the money you can save in your online classes. You can get any extra program to enhance your skills.
In online, we buy
And
extra
one thing
course
for-
to do
for soft
this
skill-
extracurricular activities. But in offline, not. We do not buy the extra classes, extra money. You didn't pay this extra. But in offline education, also provide the many.
Okay,
many
but if you don't if you
activities.
don't to pay extra money, so you can involve in local games and social
But it is
programs.
not a part of online education.
Yes.
It is not a
it's-
part of online education. You can set that the purchase the extra badge to learn the extracurricular activity. You can go and you said that to go village to learn the extracurricular.
Not village, you can
Yeah, your locals area. It is not
There are-
online education.
Yeah,
It is not a part of online
Sir, in-
education.
You are doing extracurricular activities. That is not part of your curriculum, na?
Yeah, obviously.
So, sir, in this
Ah.